Hey loves, welcome back, and if you're new, what's up? Coming to you live with the fresh face, okay? Taking in all these flaws. I love you, Nia. I love everything about you. But you know we about to cover all of this up. This is a get ready with me, so you are about to watch this beautiful bare face turn into a beautiful beat face. Let's just go ahead and dive in, cause I'm about to dive in. Alright. I've already moisturized my lip. It's winter time, so I need to hydrate my skin. I'm going to use this Clinique Moisture Charge right here. Clinique is the moisturizer I use. Is my everyday moisturizer anyways, but this moisture charge, oh my god, oh, it feels so good. Okay, bring that down. Alright, I did my brows off camera using the last bit of my favorite primer that is now discontinued. Sorry guys. And put in my tape to make sure my edges are sharp. Starting with a white base by MAC. Gonna apply that to my eyelid. Using the Anastasia Prism Pallete. Gonna go in with Sphere. Ooh, pretty. Then taking Eden and Lure, mixing those two, I'm gonna basically carve out a crease, as well as use it as a transition color. Really pretty. I'm gonna fill in the rest of my lid with Obsidian and Osiris. Then I'm going to blend out the edges. Taking Saturn, I'm going under my waterline. Going in with Lucid, taking that into my tear duct. Then I'm taking Lucid onto my finger and blending that into the middle of my eye. I want a very sharp eyeliner look. So first I'm going to go in with my liquid liner, then wing it out with my Inglot pot. Then I'm going back into the Anastasia Prism Palette and using Obsidian to set it. Using Obsidian, I'm blending out my bottom eyeliner. Then going in with Eternal, just putting that in the inner corner of my eye. Failure. Applying Bad Gal to my lashes and my lower lashes. And then finally adding my lashes. Now I'm gonna take Lucid and basically just go ahead and highlight it on up. Cause that's how you use a freaking palette on your face, right? Spend that much on a palette, you need to use it. So it doubles as a highlighting situation as well. Alright guys, what do you think if you have this palette? What do you think of it? This palette is pretty decent to me. Cute to look at. Not the easiest to use, but still when you do work with it, it comes out bomb. Alright guys, I gotta go, okay? He is literally right here. Let's just add this lipstick real quick. This is my outfit. No lipstick by SMASHBOX right here. It is called Tar Pit. this is a black liquid lip. Alright you guys, it's a look from bare to beat, just like that. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry if my video missed a few things, but no worries, I'll be back soon with another tutorial. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And if you really don't want to miss any of my videos, make sure you click that bell button. Have you guys seen Jumanji? If so, let me know if you guys like it down in the comments below. Okay, I gotta go. My man waiting. Thanks for being patient. Good. A little bit, because it didn't dry all the way.
We gonna go.
I'll see you soon. Mwah.